Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. And what am I going to unbox for today? I will unbox this. So before we get into that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the box. So let's open it and see what we have inside. I get rid of that box. And here we have the item I ordered. This is M48 tactical Talon spear, and the shaft is made of molded nylon fiber. Probably it's strong and can take a lot of beating without breaking. And you see here you have a front grip, so you can hold it like this, so you have more control when you're thrusting. The spear itself is 112 centimeters long, and the blade itself is 20 centimeters long. And this is probably a molded nylon fiber sheath for the blade to protect it, so you don't cut yourself or stab yourself by accident. That would not be a fun thing. So we take this sheath off. It looks pretty durable, actually, so that's good. And here we have the blade itself. 20 centimeter is a pretty big blade. And if I hold it up like this, so if I would punch through something with this, you will have a diamond shape hole. And that is really nasty. So the question is this blade sharp? Well, it's easy to find out. Oh yes, that was a really sharp point. And the sides, oh yeah, both sides are really sharp, so I don't want to mess with that because I don't want to cut myself. That would be not fun. So I'm not sure what this spear weighs, but it's some weight to it. But it's not too heavy, not too light, which I like. And most of the weight are on the blade, actually. And you have 1, 2, 3 bolts. That means the tang from the spear blade goes down here. So this is a compact spear. And from the website I ordered this, they labeled it as a M48 tactical Talon spear for wild boar hunting. Are they kidding me? Wild boar hunting with a 112 centimeter long spear? Forget about it. You need at least 2 meter long spear for that. And besides, you need to have wings that goes out from one side and from the other side as well. And 112 centimeter spear doesn't work for a wild boar. What I would call this a survival spear. M48 Tactical Talon survival spear instead. So this is the new prepper item I have bought, and when I saw this a couple of years ago, I wanted one, but the problem was I didn't have the money and I couldn't afford it. So now when I could afford it, what the heck, I buy it, and I would regret it otherwise. The blade is probably, yeah, it's stainless steel. So, but I don't know what kind of stainless steel it is, but it is durable, and the blade is oiled to keep it protected from rust. So I will not take that oil off, but what I like with it, with this spear, is it is compact. So where it's narrow like this basement, you have the ability to move the spear sideways in different directions. And if you had a longer spear on 190 centimeters or 2 meters, you wouldn't be able to do that. So you have the front grip here for more control, but you can also use it from here as well if you need more reach. If you keep your hand in the front grip, you come too close, but it works if you need the control. Back here, you don't have the same control as you have here in the front. And here's the thing, it goes nice V shape like this, and you can put your thumb there, and it feels really comfortable actually. So, well, I'm happy with what I have bought, and this will be a nice thing to try and practice with. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this spear. And yeah, that's all for today's video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.